Mother. Sucker.
Don't touch the fire.
Yes, not touch it.
Yeah, it's hot.
It's hot. It's nice.
It's nice?
Yeah, nice.
It smells good, huh?
Sublime for the Philadelphia Eagles on that right side. Nice job by...
What was that feeling like? You're in the huddle and you know that...
had grown by 300%.
My baby's here.
Eliminated tipping in 10 of his restaurants.
Oh, the game is over. Eagles won. Woo. We are now going to dinner for my brother and sister's birthday. Should be fun. Linda. What?
Do a flip. Do a flip. Whoa.
Yummy?
Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese?
Mac and cheese.
It was a kid, huh? It's like the same price, but a smaller size.
Ooh, worldwide. World. Look at the back. Ooh.
Ooh, it's a shirt?
Whoa.
Wait, look.
Whoa.
Another happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much.
Yay! Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Anthony and Linda. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Yay! Woo! I look like a little girl today, but I like it.
My little niggas be amping, they some peas. Hustlers, some of them sell candy, some sell trees.
Told me thou should not kill when I jumped in the flame. I'm cuckoo for the cocoa leaves and I turned it to dope.
I got some packages that I ordered, and I thought I'd show you guys. I'm really excited. I've been eyeing like glossier stuff for a really long time, but I never like ordered it because I don't know. I was just kind of like, I don't know, but I finally did, and I got a lot of things. How cute is that? Okay, so I think this is the water. No, let's see. Ooh. I'm gonna open the bigger box now. Oh, look at how cute. So beautiful. Like, how satisfying is that? It's like apple. Okay, so I put it all back in its boxes because I want to do like a whole video dedicated to my glossier stuff, and I also ordered some stuff from The Ordinary, and they're both like similar brands, as in like they're very like simplistic or like minimalistic or whatever, and so I thought it'd be fun to do like an actual video of like using the stuff and testing it out and stuff like that. So
when I was a boy, she treated every question I asked as valuable. She taught me to think of myself as curious, a gift that has served me every day of my life.
I am on my lunch. I brought my camera today just because felt like it. I don't know, I'm just gonna get an acai bowl and then go back to work, finish my day, and then tomorrow is when all the fun starts. Okay, I just got my ordinary package. I'm so glad they came sooner than they said they were. So I got 4 different things, and that's all I'm going to show you because I'm going to do a whole video on it.
In conjunction with this, and I can do this either before I do the treatment or after, is I've actually been creating my own under eye.
Wow! Good morning! Happy Friday! Say good morning! Good morning! Alright, so I'm taking Penny. Hey, calm down, baby, calm down. I'm taking her to go get evaluated for a training because she needs it, and hopefully it'll teach me like how to properly be with her and, you know, all that good stuff. So I've been wanting to do this for a really long time, but I haven't really found the time, and I didn't have the funds to pay for it because it's really expensive. But right now I'm in a good place, so I figured it's the perfect time to take her, and plus Carlos is gonna pay for half of it, so
Because it's all about timing and technique.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Oh my goodness. My boyfriend is gonna be on top of the world.
Good girl. See, I'm petting her under the chin. This builds a set of chemicals in her brain that builds self-esteem and stuff.
Oh, okay.
When you long stroke them, it calms them down. When you pat them, it hypes them up. Stay. Good girl. Stay. Stay. Good girl. Good girl.
Oh my goodness.
What a good girl. That's a good girl, yes. Good girl. Oh, good penny. Good penny. Oh, yes.
So the appointment went really well. I'm really excited to get her trained and good. I'm just really excited, and it's not her fault. It's definitely all my fault. Me and Carlos didn't train her the way she was supposed to be trained. But I'm really excited. My little baby's gonna be a good girl. I just dropped off Penny at the groomers, and I got the kennel that the trainer asked me to get. I also got her a leash and a certain collar that he recommended. Cutie! Look at you, Mama Tita. You look so cute, Mama. Aw, my little princess. With just like the appointment, it wasn't even an actual training session. Like with just the little things that he told me that I was doing wrong with Penny, like has already changed so much. She's just chilling. Like, what? She's already doing so well. She's just resting, and apparently they sleep for like 14 hours a day, and we just think that they don't, but they actually do. And I'm just so happy already. Like, I'm so excited. Huh? Sushi World. Sushi time.
Sushi.
Too long. They're taking too long on our sushi, babe.
Alright, babe.
To the weekend.
Week. Ooh, 2017.
12 seconds later.
We're so fat. I didn't think we were gonna finish it off yet. We were talking about how we're like partners, and he was like, we have our watches. I forgot mine.
sorry.
Green. We got fried green tea. Wait, we got fried green tea ice cream.
Oh my god, I left the lights on.
Big.
What you mean you ain't buying yourself? What you mean you ain't got no cash?
I got a little bit.
What you mean? What you mean?
This is where uphill.
Shouldn't you up?
Yep, that's disgusting. That's what I gotta do.
So cute. We had a great dinner.
Sushi.
And
Tamales. Your battery.
we started dancing in the car.
Tamales, tamales.
Toes and eyes and ears, mouth and nose. Ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
We're shooting today! Look how beautiful it is out here, guys. We're gonna shoot at a temple. So beautiful. So we got kicked out of the temple for obvious reasons, but the rest of the week was really nice. Penny is doing very well. It's kind of tough because she's older, but she's doing good. And I just wanted to end the vlog here because I am very bad at ending vlogs on Saturday, so I hope you guys enjoyed. See you on the next one.